So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Mastercard stock, ticker symbol MA in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass. Then on this screen, go to the top bar when you're on the Discover tab and press on the search option right here. Now, like I said before, you can just search up Mastercard just to make it a little bit simpler. So we'll go ahead and search a Mastercard right here, and there you go. Ticker symbol MA at the bottom, press on that right there. Now to purchase shares of Mastercard, go to the bottom and press on buy, press on stocks. Now on this screen, I am actually on the fractional buy tab, but if you want to change that, simply just press on fractional buy. Now you have the options to market buy, limit buy, stop limit buy, whatever you guys decide to do. But those are your options there. But just for this demonstration, we're just going to go ahead and press on $2. Now keep in mind, this is $2 USD and not Canadian. So once that is, keep that in mind because it's going to transfer over to Canadian after. I'll press on continue right here at the bottom. Now to finalize your order, just go to the bottom and press on confirm order. But as you can tell, the cost for this is $2 USD. And at the bottom, it actually shows the estimated cost in Canadian dollars. So keep that in mind if you do decide to buy any American stock here on Wealthsimple. But that is how you guys can buy Mastercard stock, ticker symbol MA in Canada here on Wealthsimple. And I hope this video helped.